2020. Although isolated instances of severe weather will be possible across the entire area, damaging winds will be the main threat, but the National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sterling to near Temple, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Duncan, Marlow, Comanche, Rush Springs, Bray, Velma, Alex, Hastings, Bradley, Loco, Addington, Eureka Lake, Agua, Coram, Central High, Empire City, Acme, and Cox City. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National